So guys, let's begin the mango chitrana. So in a pan on medium flame, I have added in some oil, also added in some peanuts. So we will wait till the peanuts are starting to get bubbles around them. That means just fry for about 2 minutes. Okay, just slowly as they start to change their color like this, remove them from the oil and keep them aside. As I said, bubbles are forming around them, and that's the time where you remove them and keep them aside. Okay, in the same oil I'm adding in some mustard seeds, some urad dal, some tur dal, also some dry curry leaves, and I'm going to saute it for about a minute till they splutter. To that I'm adding in some chopped onions and chopped red chilies. Mix them well. I'm adding in salt to aid the onions to cook faster. Mix in well and cook till the onions have browned a bit. After 5 minutes, you add in a pinch of turmeric powder, and here I'm also adding in the grated raw mango. So yes, grated raw mango. I'm going to saute in for about 2 to 3 minutes. The green color of the raw mango will sure to turn little brownish like this. This is where you start adding in the cooked rice. Okay. The perfect ingredients measurement are in the description box below. Make sure to check it and do not miss that. Now break in the rice, mix the rice with all the other ingredients. Also add in the fried peanuts and saute on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and your mango chitrana is ready to be served. So it is a very seasonal breakfast. So you can do this when mangoes are in season, and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. So guys, hope you go and try this video, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure to leave a comment down below. And guys, do subscribe to my channel as I'm saying again, and also check out these other 2 videos. Bye guys.